Guys, welcome back to IT Security Labs, and in today's video I'm going to unbox my CISSP certificate. I took the CISSP a few months ago, and I almost forgot about this because it took them 8 weeks or so to send it to me. But what this is a package that contains my physical certificate, and I'm assuming there's a few goodies in there as well. So if you're curious what you get when you get your CISSP, check it out. I'll show you what I have. So there it is, guys. That's the certificate that you're working towards if you're going for the CISSP. It does have this gold looking here with your name, signed by the treasurer, and of course your ID and the dates that you're certified through. So that's interesting. Then from that you get this little pouch with a letter welcoming you to the CISSP family. Then in addition to that, you get this pamphlet with a lot of information, hopefully. Then you also get an ID. Let me show you. It's actually really good quality. Feels like a state ID to me. So I guess you can go around flashing this, telling people that you're CISSP. I hear it opens doors. Who knows? Then you get this little badge here. So if you're going to meet with people and clients and you want them to know right away, put it right here and say you're CISSP certified. So that's it, guys. If you're curious what you get, that's pretty much it. And from there, it's official, CISSP certified. And I did create a series of videos showing you guys my journey as I was studying for the CISSP. It was definitely not easy, so this is exciting to finally have this physical confirmation that I did pass. And if you want to learn more about the journey that I did, check out my CISSP series on my channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this type of content. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video.